guys. Hey guys, it's Lydia. Welcome back to another video. So today I'm doing the blindfolded slime challenge. With this blindfold, it's actually a scarf, but yeah, I got my Pepsi. I got this container. I got this. So I'm gonna put this blindfold. Hey Ethan, can you switch these around? Like the glue and stuff and game, so I don't know where.
What?
Can you switch these around so I don't know where they are?
Yeah.
Hold on, I need to put I cannot see anything. Oh, it's so dark. Can you help me?
What were you thinking of doing? Were you planning on asking me?
What do you mean?
Oh, asking me to do that?
Yeah. Okay. Time to get this done.
Okay, so where do you want me to put them?
Like close, like wherever.
No, reach out your hands into where you want it to be able to be.
That. Ah! That.
Okay. The slime mixer too?
Yeah.
Okay, so... I'll give you a easy one to grab. Okay, get ready.
Did you do the spin?
Huh?
Did you do the spin?
No, I kept it in the slime container.
So first, I need the glue. Is this the glue? I think there's a glue. Oh, I found blonde detergent. Okay, where's it? Oh.
Sponsored. Hashtag not sponsored.
Okay.
Hashtag not sponsored.
Okay, let's. Ah, stop! Okay. Ah! Look at this. Oh, there it is. So here's the bowl. What if it's not even going in the bowl? Okay. Now I'm gonna grab the detergent and I'm gonna pour it into the cup. What if I'm not pouring it into the cup? Did I pour any in there? Did I even pour any? I feel like I'm a little heavier. I need the spoon. I meant the fork. What's it? Oh, found it. I don't know how much I'm doing. Okay. What's going on? Is there any even glue in here? I feel like there's no glue in here. I don't feel like I put... Oh, yeah, why did I do that? I feel like that was a lot. Is it ready to touch? Guys, I'm like... I feel it, so I know I actually put stuff in there. Is this all? I just want to see the slime. I feel like it's done now. Okay guys, so my slime is done and time to take this blindfold off. Whoa! So I'm gonna take the slime out. Okay. This is nice. Ouch, 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 ouch. So this is nice. It's actually a pretty good slime. I mean, seriously, it's actually a pretty good slime. I might put it in a baggie. So guys, I'm gonna put the rest of it in here. So I'm gonna clean up. Okay guys, so let's do some ASMR. This is what it looks like. It's not that stretchy. Just falls apart. But this is what it looks like blindfolded. So this is what it did blindfolded. Kinda good. So, yeah. I'm gonna put it in this baggie because I'm gonna keep this container for like a big slime. Now, thank you guys so much for watching. Comment down below if you guys, oh my gosh, my desk is a mess. But comment down below if you guys have, this was from yesterday, 10 facts about. Anyway, comment down below if you guys ever did the, what's it called? Ever did the blindfolded slime challenge, because of course I did. So yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Comment down below again, and press the red button that says subscribe down below, and give this a thumbs up. If you give this video a thumbs down, my smile will go down, and yeah, bye. Hi, Mom. Oh dear gosh.